Are you still using traditional, bulky, and inefficient cogen rigs? Are you struggling with high labor intensity, poor size adaptability, costly operation, and safety concerns? Then you really need to check out our DET300 cogen rigs.
It's an all-in-one, fully hydraulic exploration rig, equipped with single wireline cooling technology. This next-generation cogen rig delivers user-friendly operation, consistent performance, cost efficiency, and superior safety. Besides, it supports optional SPT hammer and real-time drilling data monitoring, helping you track operations and detect anomalies for better exploration, analysis, and drilling guidance. No terrain too tough, no environment too harsh. Marine exploration, water exploration, geologic surveys, overall handled.
We offer our cogen rigs with depths from 300 to 1,500 meters. Contact us for more information. Call me